Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Dodge Hellcat versus Porsche 911. We'll dive into their core philosophies, performance metrics, and overall driving experiences. We aim to help you decide which high-performance machine best suits your desires, whether you prioritize raw power or refined agility. Understanding their distinct characters is key to making an informed choice. Let's explore what makes each of these automotive icons truly special. When it comes to sheer power, the Hellcat is a force to be reckoned with. Many models boast over 700 horsepower, with some reaching 807 horsepower, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 3.4 seconds. The Porsche 911, while offering a range of engines, can also deliver incredible speed. Its Turbo S variant, for example, achieves 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.6 seconds, showcasing its potent engineering. Beyond raw speed, handling defines the driving experience. The Hellcat, with its powerful V8, offers thrilling straight-line acceleration that's hard to match. It's a true muscle car, designed for dominating drag strips and exhilarating highway pulls. In contrast, the Porsche 911 is engineered for precision and agility. Its rear-engine layout provides exceptional traction and a balanced feel, making it a master of winding roads and track corners. Both offer unique, engaging drives. Finally, let's consider price and practicality. A Dodge Hellcat typically starts around $72,000, offering incredible power for its cost, and often features a spacious interior with usable rear seats and a large trunk. The Porsche 911, a premium sports car, generally begins near $116,000. While it offers surprising daily usability, including a front trunk and optional rear seats, its focus remains on performance. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.